Okay guys, as I promised, we're gonna experiment and make a pizza casserole. I'm gonna take some sausage, brown it in a skillet, then we're gonna layer it with some cheese, then we're gonna put some pepperoni on top, turkey pepperoni. Let's see how it turns out. Hopefully the kids will like it. Okay guys, now that we browned the sausage, we're gonna add pizza sauce for the next layer. Let's see how that turns out. Okay, now we're about to add the cheese. Take a look. Okay guys, now that we added our pepperoni, we're gonna put it in the oven so we can melt that cheese. Maybe 5 minutes, 6 minutes. We'll take a look and keep an eye on it.